Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. I'm at the Staybridge Suites, Chicago, Oakbrook Terrace by IHG. A room that would otherwise cost $150, but here with a free night certificate. It is a suite after all, so we have a kitchen area, coffee maker, coffee, tea, washing station, sink, dishwasher, and a stovetop range of sorts. This is an older model for sure with the coils, a refrigerator, microwave up top, and we have many cabinets, sugar, salt, toaster, and much more. This is funny, there's salt packets and pepper packets inside of the shaker. They didn't want to just put it in there. I guess they want to be a little bit fancy. Glassware, mugs, and much more. Microwave again, a little bit older. See a splat. Little shelf on this side, used it for my camera equipment. The laptop area, very spacious. Nice to see. Lots of space for the laptop, a proper desk. Couch area, some art on the wall. This is a bit of an older property. They claim renovations are coming. We'll see about that. Have a lamp on the side, a slight view outside. King bed right ahead. Lamps on both sides. Older phone for sure, older alarm clock. TV in the center. We'll try to take a peek outside. Looks like a parking garage ahead and swampy area in the back. Coming around on the other side, you can see the king bed from another vantage point. In the center of the room, the couch, and back to the kitchen area. I have temperature controls on the wall, mirror here, to the nightstand / desk, and the bathroom. We get a sink outside of the bathroom, tissues, hair dryer built into the wall, mirror, and lotion and hand wash built into the wall. Haven't been seeing too many disposable or takeaway items recently. Closet on this side. It's a laundry basket. There is a laundry area downstairs, probably coin operated. I passed it on the way. And the bathroom. Simple shower / tub. An area for lots of towels. And the toilet. I'll just be staying here one night and hotel hopping to another IHG property. So a simple stay here, just staying solo with IHG. One final look of the kitchen area, walking through the room. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off. Stay tuned for more content.